What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Welcome back to the Duramax Diesel channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We got all sorts of weird stuff going on. We got something new for this truck. We got new things for this truck, which you can see is kind of lower. Sorry, my yard's a mess. The new car that you guys have seen, HHR, is now the parts getter, Coyote. Getting all hyped. What? Oh, you got nasty ass balls, dog. What, dog? Man. Stop. She's crazy. So anyways, as you can tell, maybe, we're missing something right here. So, what we're gonna do is show you what we got. So these, which are probably gonna come flying out of here, maybe not, are some new TIS 18-inch, I think 18 by 9, 0 offset wheels. These are for the red truck. I got them for a good deal, so I will be selling my 38s and the 20 by 14s that were on this truck. I'm kind of over the wide wheel on the stock truck, so I'm going back to a little bit smaller wheels. So yeah, these are gonna go on that. So we got 4 of them. Paid like 400 bucks for them. So these aren't load range E, but they'll get me by for now until oh Jesus, no. They'll get me by until we get new tires for them. And this, oops, this right here is the new though. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So we have some 12-inch King shocks. Now, if you guys know or have been following the channel for a while, we had 10-inch Fox 2.5 coilovers on this. We now have King 12-inch 2.5 coilovers with different spring rates and everything. But basically, the reason for this, and we have the show this Saturday, so you guys will probably see this video like Friday, hopefully. We have the show Saturday, so these are gonna go on the truck just for the show to drive down and drive back. And then after that, this truck's coming apart, and I'm thinking we're gonna use those for the rear of the truck. So I just kind of did some swapping and whatever, because I want to go bigger coilovers on this, but keep the same amount of lift. So we're gonna try and get these set right now. I think these things are stuck in there, so I gotta pound them out because I don't use these. So I gotta get these things out of there. Should be fairly easy, hopefully. And then hopefully get the truck high enough to get them in. But we'll see. We'll see what happens here. It might be extremely way too tall. So anyways, wind noise is probably terrible. I'm gonna pop these out real quick and see if we can get them into the truck. Oh, these things were a little crusty, but we got them all out. Like I said, we don't need those where we're going, so don't judge my contraption here. I'm kind of doing with what we got. It goes to show that the frame and the bumper's pretty strong though. So it doesn't hold for forever, but we're gonna go ahead and get this lifted back up. Kind of ghetto, but hey, hopefully enough to get the shock in there. I hope it doesn't sit this high. Oh Jesus, well, that's pretty cool. So the issue we're running into, this side's pretty much in. The issue we're running into is that because of the drag length and the adjustment and everything, the truck's too far this way because it's so up high, you know, it kind of shimmies left and right as it goes up and down. So I need to go that way, like over with the truck a little bit, that way I can clear this bracket so I can put this bolt in. After that, we should be good. So I'm gonna get down there, adjust the like cross drag link bar, whatever, track bar, whatever you want to call it, and just get it so I can get that coilover in, because you can see how like slanted this one is and how like straight up and down that was. It'll fix itself when it goes down, but it's just for right now. And I can't obviously put the bolt in with weight on it, so I gotta adjust it, put the bolt in, adjust it back, go down and adjust it and everything. So shouldn't be too bad. I just had it loose, but we can do that now. Whew, this thing's monstrous. Alrighty guys, so the coilovers are on. We're gonna lower it down and see where it sits, so it should be fun. Alright, it's back under its own weight. I don't think well, it might be that much taller. I don't know, I don't really remember, and we're kind of on a slope here. But yeah, it's probably a little bit taller. We'll see. We'll get it all wrapped up here. I gotta do the adjustment for the drag link, and then we'll move it back a little bit and see what's really up. Because I already had a little bit of Cali lean, so if I have a lot of Cali lean, which it looks like I will, not gonna be stoked, but hey, it's only for a week, not even, like 4 days, so. Doesn't look too bad. Actually, well, I don't know. Anyways, we got the Kings on. It doesn't even look like it's sitting that bad, especially being uphill a little bit. I gotta adjust the track back a little bit more still. So as you can see, this side's like center of the tire. This side's like maybe a little bit more inboard. I don't know, I'm gonna move it a little bit back and see what happens. I'll measure it later when I find a tape measure. But damn, does that look good. And Coyote. I mean, the blue obviously doesn't match, but that'll be powder coated later on at a later date. Alrighty guys, that is going to be a wrap for this video. I know we're kind of jumping timeline. It's a little dark, it's late, I'm in my house, but I didn't film an outro and I wanted to show you guys something cool that we're working on. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen them already. But we are making these epoxy cups, which you've seen on the channel before. But yeah, we're getting a little more creative with them. So we got this one for the show. It's going to be tomorrow if you're seeing this on Friday. And pretty much just a bunch of different styles and colors and options. And got some more over here, and by far my favorite cup, which hopefully the camera picks it up pretty good. Oh, it's kind of rough. It's like a blue metallic with a gold sticker. That's my favorite. But anywho, we are selling these cups for $30 shipped to you. That's it, done deal, 30 bucks online. We now have a website, which we're still working on, but you can go on there and order. It's resurrecteddmfg.com. Sorry, I forgot. It's so new, I forgot. But I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can see it. And yeah, go ahead and get yourself one. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. We broke 10K, and I want to say thank you to all you guys for that. I appreciate the support. So we'll catch you later, guys. I'm out.